Hi! In front of me is WIKO Y60 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. You need to start by opening Settings, then choose Connected Devices and tap on Pair New Device. Over here you need to wait for available ones to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you want to connect to. Here select Pair and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but if you want to forget this connection, you can always tap on the connected device and choose Forget over here, then tap on Forget Device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!